Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rosli, coming from Shahlam. I'm is the with Dr. Rimas friends. Yeah, I know him at the last 2 months, 3 months at the Deloitte company. Now he invited me to explain about the benefit of the clean water in our life. So thanks for your invitation for this morning. Okay. Now I want to show the things of the clean water machine. This is the
Brother Rasuli, it's my pleasure to be here with you. MashaAllah, you came a long way from Klang to IIUM.
Yeah.
So welcome, inshallah.
Okay, so thanks for. Okay, as you know, I know about this machine long time ago because the historical for the I know learning of the dishwater since 2001 because last time my wife pregnant and they have the problem in the pregnancy, and then my friends from UITM Segamat, he knows about this the water, and then he proposed me to learning about the water.
Okay.
So but for the last time there is no Kangen water. So and then for the start for the Kangen water is since 2015
Okay.
because my brother-in-law already passed away 1st of January 2015 due to cancer leukemia. And then about that, my friends they came to the house and then they showed me what is the benefit of the water. I mentioned that I already know about the water because I already make training a lot of the people, and then already sold the machine, make the testimony for everything. But when they show me what the benefit of this machine, only they take only for the three kind. One is the visual, second is the audible, and the third one is the kinesthetic. When they show me the benefit, the kind of the what of the alkaline water is.
Okay.
See? Because the starting is I only mention that only the color, because the bad water and the good water we cannot see.
Yeah.
But when we show and we know and we have the education, we have the colorful is the very good. Now after she show me, the color is coming to the blue, dark color here,
Yeah.
the purple color, and then for current I use now is the or
Red.
yellow and red.
Yep.
So and then he show me the historical for this machine is coming from the international study. Okay, and then I heard that why I cannot do, why I cannot change, and then I see when I come back I discuss with my wife. Oh, I don't have money. Then suddenly is the starting point is I am the accident at the my kitchen, and my knee left side is already torn 2 side, and then after that I found that when I took the medicine, the painkiller steroid is not good for the long time. So then I immediately change. I took about a lot of the banks cannot have, and then I took back my account at the Tabung Haji. Maybe I got around 5,000 something because I left Tabung Haji before. Alhamdulillah, I can got it. This is the machine I bought before, May 2015. This is the first one. This machine already long go away since 2015.
It's an old version.
Yeah, the old version lah. So this is my best partner for selling for this one. So for this machine is the historical is very simple. For last time in the world, the Mr. Oshiro is coming from Japan. At the Japan, they have the crisis for the economy, and then the government said when you have the information, when you have the friends, when you have the good things, you can bring in to the Japan. So Mr. Ushiro come out. He know that at the Middle East, they have the, they know that they have the one part is the water they can use for the our health. So they go there and they study. When they go study deeply and deeply, they say that and inside of the water they have the active hydrogen. The active hydrogen is the alkaline water. When they coming to the Japan, they cannot bring the water because travel with the aeroplane cannot. And then they study again different comparison water and water. You know that the best water in the world is the Zam-Zam water.
Zam-Zam water.
Sure? Even the study is coming from the Zam-Zam water. Because Zam-Zam water is the most alkaline. Okay? From that side, when they study on the 1960, Japan and Russia, they study how to get this machine. They found that the system, okay, the system electrolysis come. So when we are studying in science, on most of the biology, chemical and also chemistry, on the physics, we know that more deeply about this. Okay. So this machine, they have okay, they have this machine. They have the 7 electrode. Okay, and the electrode is they have the cathode and also the anode. But the rod is they build up from the gold, titanium gold. Okay, the titanium. What is collection for the titanium? Titanium is the when we have the problem in our health, like our bone problem. The doctor proposed to change our bone with the titanium gold. Because the titanium is simply same as in our body. That's why this water very similar in our body. And also the second plate is the platinum. The platinum plate is used for spread the water is can have the kerosene. Okay, so they have very good sensitive for this one and very good for health. And the concept for this water, they have the 2 electrode here. Okay, now this machine they have the 7. They have the anode and the cathode. Anode, cathode, and the cathode. And also this machine is we have the sourcing of the water.
So basically, is the process.
Yeah, the process. Yeah. When you know, I showed you that this very easy. Okay. In our molecule, okay, they have the rod, right? First inside they have the positive, and the second one is the negative, and the other one also positive and also negative. See, the positive is this is the in biology. Okay. This is the our nutrient in our body, okay, like calcium, magnesium, zinc, ferrum, everything. So this can refer in a chemical table, okay. In a chemical table, you can see it's like this. They almost at the life side, okay. When this water is coming, okay, through the filter, like say we starting from the RO water. RO water is the reverse osmosis. Okay, there is no mineral. Okay, because of when you in the RO, okay, this mineral already took off. They took off. So now the molecule is already minus. So there is unbalance. When this mineral, this molecule in our body, they need to take something to balancing the molecule. So they absorb from our minerals from our foods, and also the calcium from our bone. So let's say when you drink a lot of the RO water, when you take long time, it has the problem for the bones. Yeah, and also this is the information that nobody knows about this. When you never study, when you never learning about the science of the water. Okay, so when this coming, okay, when this Kangen water, okay, is the plus and also the minus, the plus and also the minus. When we use the electrode here, okay, this is the cathode, this one the anode. So this machine coming, okay, 100%
100%.
water.
Mm.
So when they observe from the filter is from here, okay, okay, this filter, okay, the coming, and then they separate the for two, okay, one for the cathode. The cathode is all the minerals. They have the plus, okay, calcium, magnesium, zinc, ferrous. They go around the display. They have the ionized here, and then they go up. Okay, they go through around here. This tube, okay, come out 70% of the water. Okay, 70%. And the rest they put at the downside is 30%. So the water flow coming 100 and go out is the also 100, but the different times. 70% is the alkalines, 30% is the acidic. Acidic is because of the cathode, the anode already also for the ion, okay, for the negative. So and this water for the negative is cannot for drink. They only use for the bath. Okay, like say we use for our beauty. Okay, for the this machine. Very very good. So this machine can produce 7 kinds of water. Okay, okay. So it's on the this machine. Okay, we refer to the type of the pH level. Okay, pH level it has the 14. Our body, they have the neutral. Neutral is 7.365, and the rest, when we go down, less than 7.365 is acidic, and more is alkaline. The maximum is 14.
Brother Imaz has told us this pH level.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. So when this machine, so example for this machine, okay, I push the button for 9.5. This one depend on our option lah. You can note 8.5. This one 8.5, 9.0, 9.5. Others lah. Okay. For the 9.5, 9.0 and 8.5 is for the drinking. Okay. 7.0 is for medicine and also for milk for baby. 6.0 is only for the beauty, okay, for facial. And the 2.5 is the strong acidic for germs. Like one will have the stroke, use this one. The sinus, use this one. For killing the germs, use this one. And also one more is the 11.5. 11.5 is for remove, okay, the paradise in our foods. So this is very, you can see different. We have the 7 selection of type of water. For my experience, for all people in the body, the level of pH is not same.
Yeah.
Because when I give the water, let's say, I give you 9.5. Okay, when you drink, okay, in our body almost 70% is water. Okay, when you drink, the system is come up. Okay, you can see in the system, endocrine system, they have 7 endocrine. Okay, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, testis, and ovary. This is in biology. Okay, in the system, the mixing is same as the ionized. And the communication contraction is like the computer or robotic. When you do this one, you can this one funny, not true, because when you learning, it's correct. Exactly, it's like this. Okay, that's why I said when you drink, then your body system, oh, I receive a new kind of water, because this water is very very small. Okay, and they can absorb in your body 1 second. directly. And then you can feel what happened in your tongue, what happened in your throat. Very, very, very simple. That's why I said, when I give you the water and you drink in one cup of water, and then after that you feel something, oh, you have problem automatically. Okay, and then when you drink one bottles, and then the labeling of you simply you okay or not, it depends on you. When you said you more worse, that means your labeling is too acidic, and then you cannot drink 9.5. You must go down to 8.5 first, because the power of your water is already worse. So this one is labeling different. Okay, so based on that, I can show you the benefit of the alkaline water. They have the 3 categories. Okay, one is the antioxidant. Okay, then alkaline level, and also the microcluster. Okay, I show you. Okay. Okay, this. Okay. Okay, this is the tap water. Okay, I took from washroom. Okay, this is the RO water. RO water means normally in the market they have the cap, white color. Okay. And also this is the mineral water. Normally they have the color is blue or green. Okay. So, and then this is the best water. You drink this one before? Almost every day, right? This is my experience last time, 2013. I drank this one every day, every morning, because I am sleepy during the drive from Shah Alam to Tanjung Malim. 1 year. Okay, this is my best friend before. Okay. Okay. And then this is the Kangen water. Okay, it's the so we need to test the pH level of the water. Okay, first we need to tester. This is the tester. Is coming from Japan. Okay, pH set at potential hydrogen. Okay, we test of the water. This one the tap water. Okay, this one the RO water. This is the mineral water. This one the acidic water, and this one is the Kangen water. Okay, so you see,
all colors are different.
yeah, that's what I said. You must know. You open your minded. Okay, what is the inside? You can feel. See, okay, this is the tap water. This one the RO water. This is the mineral water. This is the acidic water, and also this is the alkaline water. Okay, last time when I saw this kind of the demonstration, oh my God, long time I drink this one. Long time I drink this one. So, what is the best one? So, normally the water is like this color, plain, no color, right? When we open-minded, when we know this, which one you want to select? Okay? When you refer for this table, see? You see? You see the tap water, this one the RO water. So, what is different color? So, the tap water is more better compared to RO water, right? Okay? And also for this water, mineral water is very good lah compared both. Okay? And also this ionized, the acidic water, like the under plus, see the color is okay. I show you. Okay, in the market, okay, okay, they have the RO water. Okay, let's say example for this color, they have the light color and dark color, right? Okay, I show you example lah. This is the basically is the RO. You see? Okay, we test. Okay. Okay. So the color is
Similar.
Similar, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In the market, okay, the magic one is like this. Okay. They put the bicarbonate. Okay, I show. This is the bicarbonate. See? Okay, magic, right? So when we want to choose your water in the market, please, okay,
Be aware.
be aware. You take first. You
Yes.
think first, because when you have the more extra, the bicarbonate in our body, our kidney cannot process. That's why they make the kidney problem.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I said very difficult to drink this water because you know what? You see,
Yeah.
when we don't know about this water, I don't care. It's just water lah.
Just watching.
You see? Okay, so okay, this is okay, and then from this kind of the water, okay, which type of water did you need? Which one? From this color, which water want to need? Please select. Please check. Okay. Please check. Which one want?
I think I choose last one.
See?
Yeah.
Confirm?
Yeah.
It's very good. Okay. Okay. I show you. Okay. Okay. That's why I said we in our body they have the 17% of water, right? Okay. Okay. You see? You want to take video also say, you see what is the difference? Okay. So I show you. This is the color. Then when you drink,
You change.
okay, and also for the RO water, okay, when you drink, okay, and then for this one, the color you see the color, it's more darker, right? Okay, and then one more. Okay, when you drink this acidic water, okay, the one. So, how to do? Is it the best water for you?
No.
You want to drink?
No, that's all.
I give free for you.
No, that's all.
Okay, you see, the different, right? Side?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, almost the color. Okay, when we take the some medicine, okay, when you separate color, different color, when you drink this kind of Canadian water, all the change back coming to the purple color, right? Okay, and then when you drink the acidic water, what will be happen? Okay. See?
Oh.
Okay. See? Okay. And then
It's
when
change all.
so then when I have a good water and also I took this water, so what happened? So you see which one I have to take? Okay, this is I said we want to see. Okay, you have the visual. This is the visual. Okay, you know. Then you heard, you feeling. Okay, the kinesthetic is the process of the changes. You know. Yeah. Okay, this is the first one of the alkaline water. Okay. Okay. Okay, the next one is okay. Okay, for the second one is the antioxidant. For antioxidant is the take off the NG part. Okay, the antioxidant. Antioxidant they have the labeling. Okay, this one the ORP, oxidation reduction potential. When they have the labeling is the plus. Okay, plus is the right side. Okay, 100. Okay, plus 200. If plus the 200 is the like the this water.
This water, yeah.
Okay, RO water. Okay, and the tap water is the plus 300. The isotonic is the plus 400. And also for the minus side is the vitamin C minus 550. Green tea
Green tea.
minus 100. Oil liver minus 200. Okay, this machine minus 400. And also the Zam water is almost there, minus 1000 something.
1000 something.
Yeah, it's still enough. That's why I said for this water, when you know our technology, okay, let's say for example last time when you want to communicate last 20 years ago, you want to communicate with somebody, we use a letter, right? And then after 1 week, hello, you say, oh, hello, then you can say hi. After 1 week, now we have the technology. During 1 second, I can send message to you, right? That's why the technology already changed now. Now, in the technology here, we already have for this one. Okay, this machine is can produce for this one for you. Okay, okay. When this machine, when you directly last time during the pandemic, you see, everybody people that already got the pandemic COVID, they took the antioxidant, right? Yeah. Why? Because in our body, when you go through to the biological, they have the thyroid system here. What the functioning of the thyroid? Okay, they observe the germs in our body. Okay, for example, is like this. Okay. Okay. This is the pentadent. Pentadent is the oxidation. Okay. So I put here. Okay. Then I check this water is the RO water. Okay. It is so, and then I use for the this one Kangen water. So gone. So and then when we take more a lot of this water, gone. Okay. For the example, when we come to the hospital at the emergency, what will be happen? You take the patient, okay? Because last time I have one friend from Hong Kong. They want to confirm PhD. They must train, okay? Certain months to entertain the emergency patient. Okay? They said that how can every patient when go to the bed, they put the water. What the water like? They study what the water, what the kind of the water. You see, this is the alkaline water. When you see in the bottles, okay, Natrium chloride, NaCl. Okay, what is it? Natrium chloride. Okay, you see like same is like this. Okay, for example, for this one, okay, you can took from this machine is the 11.5. This is the 11.5. Okay, you want to test for this one? Okay. See? That's why I said, when you have the problem, you go to the hospital, you take the antibiotic, you take the sac one, say it's like this.
It's change.
Yeah. So, magic, right? That's why I said, you must have that information, know how. Don't simply change. You're learning. This is the process for demonstration and learning session for this one. Because almost since 2001 or 2002, I learning about the water. Then I changed
You
slowly.
have 24 years of experience applying water.
Because I already help cancer patient, minor stroke, alhamdulillah lah. So when everything is the Allah give way for this one. This is the in process. See? Same also we use for the medicine the same. But we try. Okay, this one. So for the antioxidant level is very high. Okay, one more. When you have water, okay, you cannot heat up. Because when you heat up the water, okay, the oxidation is less. You see? When this water, when you heat, they go to the right side. That's why I said when you go to Mecca, okay, you can see around of your people, they have the tank, right? The some water only cold and normal temperature, right? No hot, right? See? When you want to taste, when you have the refrigerator here, okay, when you put inside of the refrigerator, make it cold, very nice, sweetie. And also when you taste to the end, okay, you put this kind of water and also the tap water. You see which one they collect? This one they select almost for this one. Okay. Okay. For the other one is okay. Microcluster. Okay. Microcluster. Okay. When you go too deeply in biology, okay, in our cells, membrane cells, okay, you see, very very small. Okay. Let's say when you have to make the tea, is it you have the selection? You want to neutral tea or milk tea or teh tarik or the teh ice, everything, right? But now we use for the neutral. Okay. When you want to make the tea, you must to heat up. Why? Because in the water they have the molecule. Okay. When the molecule is very big, we cannot taste the water. Okay. But you must heat up. When you want to heat up the water, the molecule only distribute. Okay. Now we change it like this. Okay. This is the neutral water. Okay. This is the mineral water. Okay. And also this is the can water. I use the neutral, okay, Ahmad tea. When you refer to this one, okay, for the green tea, it almost the minus 100, okay. Okay. See? Want to taste? Taste the tea. Yeah? See? See, they said in our body, the back is like our kind of the molecule. Okay? And then the smaller molecule of the water can also go through. Okay? That's why I said when they have the problem like the cancer, the water, okay, can go through inside of the molecule to bring out the water, and then they kill. And they kill, and they dispose, they take out. You see? So it's different. Okay, this is Dennis. Okay. Okay. One more thing is, okay. This is the system oil. Oil and the water can mix or not? Why? See? Before is I also like you lah. Don't know. Okay. So now we change it. Okay. You see? Come. You see?
Mix.
You see the one? Okay. So I use the 11.5. Okay. So the oil already. That's why I said when you have the cholesterol in your body, how to take off? Okay, then disappear. Go along. See, same as like this in our body. Okay. See, this is the cholesterol in our body, right? Okay, you want to clean up. Okay, this is the cholesterol. Okay. See. See? Clean. So I said you must drink this water. Okay? So for another type of water is this one 6.0. 6.0 is for the beauty. For normally in the market we have the SK2. Yeah? I used this one before because my hair already gone last time. So I meet my friends and they say you must use this one. See? I must use this one. See? You can see you can feel or you can see the type of this water. You smell the water different. This is acidic. Different. And then they make fresh. Normally when I support for the cancer or the minor stroke patient, I use in the first 11.5, and then for the second one is the 2.5, and then third one is the beauty 6.0, and then must drink 9.5. For all the things, water is very good and very convenient in our body. So this is the best of water. Okay? Okay. Good. Let's thank you for learning, for your time. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.